Helps if I turn my microphone on, huh? Welcome everybody to the Keenan Can Do stream, where we're going to continue working on the workout tracker. Um, so let's just dive right in. What we have currently is this, where you can choose your master progression exercise. Right now we've only got the one arm push-up working, so if I look at this before I choose it, there's nothing there. The progression exercise, because it doesn't know what you chose here. So when you choose one arm push up, then you get all of your progression exercises that drop down under that list. So we have Emacs open. Let's go and look at the index here. The text looks a little bit smaller. I was noticing that. Sorry if you have noticed it as well. What I'll do is I will increase the text for you. So let me do that here. There we go. That should be good. If that's too small, let me know and I'll increase it even more for you guys. Okay, so let's split this screen as well. Let's do split screen vertically. Yep, okay. And then we'll open the app.js file, and that's fine if it's here. Let's also increase that one. So see here we have just the one exercise is loaded for that progression. So we need to finish this this switch statement. What we're gonna do is extract this stuff out to a function so that it can be called at any time, kind of a fill select function. I don't know if I want to do that now because I'm not using it again. So yeah, let's just do the other exercises. So we'll have in here a another exercises, and that will start with an empty array, and then we're gonna hydrate it with the information that we get from the actual spreadsheet, which I'm attempting to replace. So if you go, where's my workout log? Look at all these pages I have open right now. I'll just open it here. Sheets.google. Workout log. Okay, and then we have a chart over here. And so this is one arm pull up, so that would be pull up progression here. We'll copy that, and then we will paste it into here, and then we have to clean it up, of course. So let's go forward, and then we'll do select it right here, and then we'll do string rectangle. Yep, that works. And then we'll do to the end of the line, so we can do begin macro. Let's see, that's X. Where's macros? Macros. Boom, boom, boom. What was Q? K macro start. Okay, so it's open paren. Okay, so open paren, and then we'll do end of line, and then that, and then that, and then down, and then let's do beginning of the line. Okay, and then we'll go there, and we'll stop the macro. And then the macro is defined, and now we need to run the macro. Where is run macro? Run macro. This is actually going to help us because we're going to copy the other ones. It'll be a lot quicker if we have the macro set. Where is run? Oh, so we have to do Control H to look at the other pages. Macro query. What does that mean, macro query? how do we find macro? Start macro. Control XQ. Not defining or yeah, I need to execute macro. Macro execute. Macro expand. Start KBD macro. Insert no. Call macro. Okay, yeah. Call macro and then type return to repeat. So we just boom, 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 and we'll set up our whole array here. This one obviously won't work, so we'll go forward and we'll set it up ourselves. So there we go. So there's our exercises for one arm pull up. So that should mean if we just save this and we go there, one arm pull up should also. Why didn't it? Let's look at our developer tools. What is our error? Failed to execute add. Provided value is not of type. Okay, so this now needs to be. It's JavaScript and its lexical scope and it's hoisting. So we can just grab this. We could just grab this. And we'll put it down. We'll put it down here. Should be able to put it here. Wait, what? There we go. And now, let's see now what happens. One arm push, pull up. There we go. Now we have all of our choices for those as well. So I want to think about how this is going now. I think it's not. I hit the wrong key again. How many times did I hit the wrong key? Okay. I don't think it's going bad. I think I like the way. Okay, so we're switching and then we're building up our exercise thing from there. Probably when we add a server. Not sure if we do that today. When we add a server, I will extract this stuff out so then it pulls it. So essentially, it's going to be the array still, but it pulls it out into each one. So we'll do hanging leg raise now. We'll go to here. Hanging leg raise is this stuff. So we're copy it. And then we say exercises because it's switched. So we're only going to have one and we're not having no fall through because I did the excellent example that I learned from, as I said, Casey Moratori. Is that how you say his name? Moratori? Something? Anyways, he's doing the excellent Handmade Hero series, which is pretty rad. Okay, so we'll select this, then we'll go down, and we'll, whoops. Then we'll, oops. I am just kind of still learning my keyboard here. Okay, and then we'll do string rectangle. Yep. Okay, and then we're here. We'll do execute macro. Where's execute macro? Call macro. There we go. And then we just do return. There we go. And then for this one, we have to go forward and do it ourselves. Okay. So that simply should have now given us so that we can refresh this. And now we would have hanging leg raise. And we have everything for the hanging leg raise. It's kind of cool, isn't it? It's like I love software engineering. And then I can go back to one arm pull up, and it didn't. Ah, so we have a bug. Is it just adding? Yeah, it's adding everything. It's supposed to be deleting everything. Why isn't it deleting? So yeah, we need a function. We're gonna call that function clear, and we'll call one clear. Clear and remove. Let's do clear and remove. Okay. Clear and add options. Okay, and this will take in the select, and it will take in the options list. Okay. All right. So essentially going to be here. We'll do function clear and add options. Takes in a select element and a options list. And oops. There we go. So what that's going to do, what we need to do is clear the current selection, and then we need to add the list of options to the cleared selection. Okay. So when I was looking at when we were looking at the MDM yesterday, HTML collection, options collection, there's length, instance methods. Okay, this is for the select. Yeah. So the options is read only. So is there a way to clone or the option is read only, but essentially remove the element of specified index from the options collection for this. Yeah, so it's essentially going to be the same logic for the remove. So we're going to have to take in the length as well. So we'll do that. And do that. Okay, but we need the length. No, we can get the length from the passed in option. Yeah. We can get the length from the passed in option. Get option length. But aren't we doing it up there? Get new options. Current option length. So we actually don't need that there. So that can be that did. I didn't like that at all. There we go. Get the options length. Yeah. Options length. Length equals select element dot select element Be like options.length, right? Yeah, options.length. Okay. Get the options length, then we remove it, and now we need to add the new options element. So that is here. Oops. New options. Options list. Okay. Select element. Okay. Clear the current section. Clear the current section and then add the new element. Okay. Well, that should be good. That function. Oh, is this function now closed? There we go. There we go. Okay. So we take in our select exercise. What is that? Oh yeah, that's what is selected. Okay. Progression select is that. Okay, so I need to pass in progression select. Progression select. Progression select and new options. Yeah. After that's done, down here, when we do that. Okay. Let's see. Syntax error, line 80. What is the error in line 80? Oh. Okay. Now if I select clear and add options is not defined. Oh, hoisting. That's one of the things with JavaScript is your where your functions are defined have to be before they're going to be called. There we go. Okay. Now let's choose. Oh, clear and add options not defined. What? Function clear and oh, add. Current progress length is not defined. Or that would be select element. Wait, option select. Yeah. Okay. Try this again. Vertical pull up. Okay. Now if I do hanging leg raise, I only want to see. Why do I still see half pull up? Is it a race condition? It's been a while since I did any web development. So if I add now one arm pull up, it's even gonna add, yeah, now let's refresh. Oh. Select element, remove, progression select. Select element. Vertical pull up. Arm pull up. Push up. It's not even doing push up. Ah, so something. New options is blank, switch, case. Okay, so let's do, set a breakpoint up here. Refresh this though. Okay, so one arm pull up, options length. 1. Okay. Yep. Okay, add the new options. Okay. What? How did... What is going on with... Whoa, boom, boom, boom. For let I... So leg raises. Okay, now if I do push up. So it's not doing push-up at all. Oh, exercises. Oh, I need to clear out exercises. Push up. Leg raise. Why is it? Progression select. Clearing out options. Options length. Select element. Options link. Yeah, we need to. Let's watch this. Okay. Oh, what's the value? Text. Vertical pull up. Why is it vertical pull up? Let's go to the case expression then. Yeah. Do push up. One arm push up. Okay. Oh, I didn't put a break. Got my break. That's why. Makes sense. Got the break. Okay, so now let's do one arm push up. We just expect push ups. Yep, okay. Now if I do one arm pull up, just expect pull ups. Oh, I get push up still. What the fuck? One arm pull up, not one arms. One arm pull up. One arm pull up. Pull up, okay. Hanging leg raise. Horizontal pull up and then leg raises. And then if I also add push up, is this going to be all of them now? What if I did where we clear it? New options. Exercises. Okay. We'll switch here. Okay. Push up. Good, I got all push ups. Okay. Now pull up. Arm pull up, okay. All in there. Break. Exercises, not links. Just be. Yep, okay. New options. Okay. Now we're gonna go into here. select element. So we can type in here to options length 10. So they all have 10. Yeah, okay. Okay, now that. Okay. 9. Okay. That'll watch. It's over here. Oh, that'll watch for that. Watch, there we go. Okay. Is that 5? Well, what is it now? It's not a context. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why did it stop at 15? Whoa. Add options length. Options length. Okay. 10. Whoa, 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 whoa. How is that 10? No, I want to add I. Okay, so that's 3. Okay. Four, 5. I see now. My algorithm's wrong. Okay. So what we need to do instead of counting up. Okay. So instead of counting up length, because we are changing it as we go, we just set I to 0 each time, right? And then if we do 0, I think that will, because we're still going to run it as many times as we have, but we're just going to remove the first one each time. So one arm push up, that, okay. There's the wall push-ups, then one arm pull up, vertical pull up, no push-ups, and hanging leg raise. All leg raises. Okay. Cool. And then if we go back, change it back to push-up, we'll just do a push-ups. Okay, so we solved that little bug. Okay. So let's just delete these lines. New options, we did that. Okay. So we have to continue just adding these in here. Stand to stand bridge. Oops. I don't think we need to. I don't need to have it up here at the top. Okay. So what exercise is this? This is the stand to stand bridge, which I won't be doing for a while. Here. And then we'll pay. Gotta remember what my Emacs shortcuts are, because it's not Control V anymore. It's Control Y. Okay. Then we'll go here. And then we'll string rectangle. Boom. We'll go here. We'll go all macro. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Then we'll go forward, forward, forward. Boom. Alright, and now we should have the stand to stand bridge in here now. Yep. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So all of ours are kind of working now. Let's just finish. We have a few more of these to finish, and then we can add the rep inputs for reps and things like that. We probably then today aren't going to get to, again, I'm not a web developer, but I'm, you know, kind of learning web development as I go here. Let's go to the one arm handstand push-ups then. And why did it do that? No. Okay, exercises equal this. We'll go grab that. That is one arm handstand. There we go. Grab these. Back in here. Forward. And we'll do a string rectangle again. Yep. And we'll go to the top. Call macro, execute macro. Can your VM do that? Alright, and then one leg squat. Exercises equal that. One leg squat is here. And back to here. Paste it to the front. We'll do a string rectangle again. Rectangle, very nice. We'll call the macro. There we go. Alright, and then that's it. Now we have all of our exercises. So let's see, we got one leg squat, all those. We have one arm handstand push-ups, all of those. We have stand to stand bridge, all of those. We have hanging leg raises, all of those. We have one arm pull-up, all of those. And we have one arm push-up, all of those. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I hope you guys are enjoying this, because like I'm not using a framework. I'm not a web developer. I was a full stack developer for quite a while. It's been about 2 years since I actually even touched any HTML. And I'm relearning it. I think I shared the Cold Steel Web Developer Bootcamp from Udemy. I'd bought that back in 2017. That's kind of how I originally learned like the web development stuff. But it's been quite a while, and I'm kind of just figuring it out as we go along. And while I'm doing that, I'm showing you guys how I would solve a problem and work through deep bugs. So work through the different bugs that we've come across. I was watching some OBS videos too on where I could do like clips. So when I find something really cool on here, I can do a clip and it'll save like the last 60 seconds. I have to set that up. As you can see, I set up like a, I don't know. I got to get a different green screen, but this is just a blanket. So you can more focus on what I'm doing and not so much the screen. Oh, I didn't notice that when I'm looking at the debugger here that you guys can't see that. So when I put those watches and everything in, you didn't see anything. Whoops. That's my bad. I will fix that. I'll have to do some kind of hotkey situation where if I go over where the I wonder if I could do, be a programmer. I wonder if you could do some kind of like a hot zone with your mouse. So if your mouse goes over in this location and you have your video on, it'll transition away from your webcam. That'd be kind of cool. Let's put that as a to-do. Remind me of that of something. Yeah, only blanket green screen streamers around here. But it leaves it up to you, David L., to guess what's behind the blanket. Nobody wants to know what's behind that blanket. Nobody wants to know. Okay, so we have this. Let's push down the checkbox for warm up. Let's just push that because for right now we're doing these BRs, but we'll be doing styling a little bit later. I mean, yeah. I can't remember how to, Alt tab. Alt. What is Alt? Oh, there we go. No? Alt tab? What the? Alt tab. Back tab. How do I switch? How do you switch Windows and how do you switch Windows and Windows? Isn't it Alt tab? Alt tab. That's same back tab as Alt tab. There we go. It's meta. Oh, that's Alt. I was doing the wrong Alt. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So we push that. No, I want to push the label actually down. Not at that point. Oh man. Oh. Here. There we go. Okay. There we go. Add warm up. Yes or no. Don't print right now. I understand. Don't want a printer connection. Okay. So let's do a label for, and we'll do, so remember how we're gonna have, how we have, so if we look at this push up here, if we look at this push up, we have the warm up or not. Main exercise, and then the standard, and then the sets. So that's pretty basic. Let's go. Let's do the. So we have. So if let's say here, I'm going to select. Say I worked out today. I was working out push-ups, and I was working on level 2 incline push-up. Okay, and if I add a warm-up, this is where we're going to say with the JavaScript that we're going to show a div that's going to have the warm-up information. I suppose since that's where we're at right now with the stream and programming this, that we can do that right now. Okay, so input type. Has warm-up. Yeah. Input type. So under here. This is where the div is going to be. This is where the JS, where we'll place the div. We'll place the div. Okay, so Control X, Control that. Okay, now let's check our checkbox, which is ID has warm up. So let's do warm up. And we'll do equals document dot get element by ID, and we'll has warm up. Has warm up. So we're gonna inspect what the properties are for this. Oh, it just says type checkbox, but it doesn't give me any get element by ID. Warm up. There we go. Warm up dot is checked. Is that a checked? Is that a value? Checked. Yeah. So we could just call checked on it. It's false. If I check it, then it becomes true. Okay. So this would be toggle. So we would actually be toggling. So we are actually going to be toggling this div here. Okay. Okay, so Let's go back over here. And then after would be the div would be after. Guess we could do a legend, warm up in a legend there. For now, let's just add the event listener. Event listener, there we go. And then we'll do another document. Get element. Element by ID. Let's do a function where we're going to add event. Function. Add event. Listener. And it takes in a event and a no, that's actually silly. That's we might factor that out later, but for right now we'll just okay, this is has warm up, has warm up. We're gonna add an event listener, and then that's gonna be a change. Change event. We're gonna call this hydrate or go hide warm up. Go hide warm up. Okay. And then we need a function for that. Function show hide warm up. That takes an event. And then it will be, let's just do console.log for right now. Event.target.checked. Okay. That should be good to go. Let's check it. Check false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, false, true. Okay. So that's just a quick little event listener for that check mark there. Obviously, let's say, okay, so we do one arm push up, wall push up, okay, and we add a warm up, and then this is where we're going to be able to refactor out some of this information, this exercise stuff. We might put into a global, and then we'll move it out later, because depending on what warm-up they choose or what exercise they choose, that limits the warm-up exercises they can do, right? If I am working on hanging leg raise and I choose the frog section, then that index of that item, I'm only going to be warming up the items before that. So knee tuck, knee raise, and bent leg raise. It makes no sense for me to show any more of the other exercises because this is a warm-up to get towards your exercise. Actually, sometimes you warm up once you're kind of more advanced and you're working on high reps. You can warm up with the exercise as well that you're working on. So we could be, if you did frog leg raise, you could do knee tuck, knee bent leg, and frog leg raise. So it would be the index of that and everything under it. So that will be fun to do. Let me say that in here. We'll just do a to do for myself. Keenan, remember that warming up means that you are only doing the exercise level at and below the current exercise. Okay. Then we'll we will comment that out. Okay. Well, for now, let's see if we can do an after. I think it's after. Is that the after for Dom? Let's see. After. Event listener. Filter after. No matches. After method. After. Element after. The element inserts a set of node or string objects. Yeah. Just after the element, string objects inserted as equivalent text nodes. Okay. So let's just as a test, I just want to make sure this is working. So we got that constant check then. So we have that our, let's call it parent element, or no, it's not parent, it's sibling. It's the sibling element is equal to event.target. And then sibling element dot after, and then I could just put a string in, right? Is that legal? To put a string in? This current value is checked or not? How do you do string interpolation with sibling element? Is it with yeah? But don't I have to do like backtext or something? Template. Let's see. Let's do event. Sibling element. Sibling element. Target. Check. And then we have to close the p tag. I don't know. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oops. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I have no clue. It's been quite a while since I did anything like that. Okay, so that does not insert a p tag. Let's find element. Okay, so let's just do paragraph tag, p tag, the paragraph element. There we go. And where is the interface for it? Boom, the p element. Where is the DOM interface? There we go. So putting left, right. No instance methods. HTML element. Okay, so HTML element. HTML elephant. Where's the constructor? Where's the constructor? Do I have a constructor for that? No, doesn't look like it on that side we have a constructor. Paragraph element. Node element. Inherits element. Okay. Inner HTML. Okay, is there a constructor then for this? No? go here. Let's see. Can I just do? Let's see. New paragraph element. HTML paragraph element. Inner HTML. Hello world. Illegal constructor. Okay, why is the constructor illegal? Element is the most basis. Node. Create. New. Oh. So for option, I could do new option. How come I can't? We're gonna figure this out, and we're gonna figure it out. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out. So the dot area row, low content, phrasing, represent paragraphs are usually. So immediately follow any element that slaps implicit area DOM interface. Do we get the JavaScript? There we go. No. I want to create a new one. HTML provide special properties. Okay, HTML. Hidden inner lang instance method events. Reference, standard objects, functions. No. Where is my element? I don't want to have to ask ChatGPT. So HTML. have to do new option. If I just do that. Native code. Hello, I'm looking for the paragraph element. Looking for the paragraph element. Hi, everybody. How can I new up a paragraph element? Okay, so test. We'll do test. So just a function test dot. Constructor? DL equals test.constructor. No, that's not. That's the prototype. Okay. Who on the view? What's concurrent viewers? Okay, that's ask being, I guess. HTML paragraph element structure. Oh, okay, well, why Bing's freaking tripping over that? Go back a few. Element after. Paragraph represents we'll copilot here. Create element. That's what is. That's what I should have looked for. Create element. Okay. Okay. So let's then do okay. New element equals document dot create element tag name e. Huh? New element dot inner HTML. Is it ticks? Yeah. Alright. Status. Get check. Alright. I don't know. See if that works. We'll see if that works. New element is not a function. What's new element? Create element tag name. Oh, that's a property. Property. Not a function. That means we set it like that. Okay. Where's that is? Cool. Okay, that's kind of what I wanted. Just as a play, just to see it placing. I mean, ideally we should have it. Let's do inner. No, because well, that won't work. Okay, and now I have to do. Okay, so we'll do this. And item back here. And that. New element. BR. Okay. Missing argument list. Okay. So undefined, 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 undefined. What is undefined? I see what we probably have to do. We probably, because of the context in there, this is returning like undefined. The function actually returns undefined. So let's kill it. Hit it to here. And then let's, after that, we'll do new element. Right? Because then so that should take care of that, I would think. Yeah. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, true, false, true. Okay. So we have true, and then we're gonna have false. There we go. Let's push it down, kind of like a stack. Okay, that's cool. All right, so we got our but what I'll do is I'll remove that, and we'll have, like I said here, we'll have the number of the warm-ups and all of that right there. So that's enough for today. Everyone who joined, thank you so much for joining. I hope I'm learning some stuff out of this again. I hope you're learning some stuff. If you have any questions, please post in the community tab. I'm gonna work on trying to get my Discord up again, and then we can communicate on there. Otherwise, thanks for watching Keen Can Do. Until next time, we'll chat later. Just on my outro, what I'm gonna do is just stage some stuff here with Majit. Okay, so we have some stuff modified. So this is what we modified. Added this function, took off that. Okay, all that looks good. Okay. Okay, all that's modified. Modified index. Yep. Okay. Stage. Okay. And then we'll do commit. Work on the form and feature enhancements. So you can see. And then we'll push. There we go. Select. Alright, that should be on GitHub now. We'll go to workout tracker. And we'll see that we just did the commits. So our app's going to be a little bit different. License, index, app.js. HTML, JavaScript, suggested workflows. Oh, Grunt. Huh. Might get into that. I've never done that before, but let's see. Is my my history kind of now it looks like I've actually done some contributions. That's cool. Hopefully we'll keep that running, keep that going. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and happy hump day early. All right, bye.